What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. Dcyopgarments. Hey, this one ain't about me today, y'all. It's about a client. We're gonna get right into that though, right after my intro. So, all right, y'all, like I was saying, I got a new client, customer, whatever you want to call it. You know, outside of my brands that I designed for myself, if you've been rocking with your boy for a while, you know I design for other people as well. I could design for you if you give me that opportunity. All right, so, you know, the client reached out to me. You know, they wanted to get some zip hoodies made for their workplace. So I copped some independent. All right, got the box independent zip hoodies for them that I'm gonna crush up. All right, get this thing all made up. They're black. Let me show you the artwork that I came up with. Here's the art. I think it's pretty fly. All right, so let me bring it in closer. I can see like the detail on this joint. All right, we got the hospital trolley cart, because this is, you know, for some individuals that work at a hospital. We got some boxes, you know, materials management. Came out pretty dope. All right. You know, got your little bag here, you know, some hand sanitizer. All right, now what I'll do is I'll show you how I came up with the concept. You know, they hit me up, they told me what they wanted, you know, the department that they work in. And, you know, in the description, they were like, yeah, can you try to like add like a cart in there, because we roll carts around. And can you add like, you know, some boxes in there, you know, because we do like a lot of like shipping and handling. We always getting all these boxes that come in all the time. And, you know, we disperse all the materials out, you know, throughout the hospital. So I came up with that design. I'm gonna keep it a buck though, y'all. I'm kind of behind the 8 ball because it's almost Christmas time, and you know they're definitely gonna be done before Christmas, obviously, because I have all the materials right now. But you know, they had reached out and they had wanted to see if I could have them done earlier. I would have if the shipping didn't take so fucking long. All right, so I hate when I can't meet like somebody's deadline. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, the best form of business is return business, return customers all the time. I stay preaching that. So I'm going to take you guys through this process with me. Not only do I have to apply the image to the actual sweatshirts, got to get them embroidered as well with each individual's name on the hoodies. So I'm already behind the 8 ball, y'all. So we got to get right into this shit, and we got to move pretty fast. All right, rock with your boy. So let's get going. All right, let's open this box up. Now, y'all, the plan is to get everything done, completed today, and, you know, make the delivery to the client today. All right. Now, you guys don't really get to see too much of my real, you know, normal life, but I'm gonna start, you know, bringing y'all more in to what I actually like do on a regular. Yo, these joints is nice. These joints is nice. These are, I want to give y'all the proper model I might have to look at the packing slip. These are the Independent 400ZC. That's the model number. You know, if you guys are interested, go over to Independent, you know what I'm saying, create yourself a wholesale account and, you know, test these joints out. All right, now because they told me that, you know, they ain't want anything like real, you know, thin. They wanted something more on the thicker side. So that's why I went with these Independent joints. Nice heavyweight joints. But like I was saying, I'll try to get you guys more up to date with my normal life. Now, it's currently like a little bit after 4 p.m. today. More like 4:20, 4:30ish. I don't know. I don't got a clock right now. But if I got to work on these joints all night, which is not going to take me all night, that's just what I'm going to do. Because, like I said, I want to get these things delivered today. So, let's get them pressed. Now, if y'all hear any noise, any like banging and shit like that, you know, I'm gonna try to edit it out. I got 2 kids, all right? You know, you could tell them to be quiet till you're blue in the face, but at the end of the day, you know, they're still kids. We just make some room. Oh, let me get my scissors so I can clip some more of this material off the design. Clip some of this excess off so we can get them pressed up right. But if you guys have the opportunity to make some extra money creating for other people, you know, you should go ahead and do it. Who wouldn't want some extra money? You know? Don't mind me, I'm just trying to get everything lined up real nice. Alright, here we go. This is the first one. Cool pill. Y'all know the deal. Ooh, that was a little rhyme. Cool pill. Y'all know the deal. Ooh, that came out pretty sick. I like to press 2 times. Make sure everything is in there good. Check that out, y'all. What y'all think? Look good? Leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. All right, that's one down. I got the old We Major. You see, I got the old We Major hoodie on today. Yo, it's funny. It's like I said, you know, since, you know, I'm the brand owner, I got all these brands, like, you know, I don't have to wear my stuff all the time. You know, wear it a few times and put it away and then come back at a later date with something. Or when some people never seen it before, they be like, oh man, you got those for sale? It's like, nah, this is old. Been did this. You late to the game. You gonna have to cop my new shit. Cause my old shit is sold out. And that's always a good problem to have. You know? I'm gonna try not to rush because we definitely don't want to mess anything up. Get it lined up. Right. Hood drop. And if you don't know, I said this before, like I do have a real career. Your boy fresh off a 16-hour shift, you know, and you gotta come home to making garments, yo. It is what it is. This is the lifestyle of a brand owner, lifestyle of a hustler. And sacrifices. love the game, I love the hustle. All right, y'all, they're all done. All right, I had to do 9 of these joints. Took about 20-25 minutes. I didn't want to put you through that torture, so now we got to take these joints to go get, you know, the names embroidered in front. All right, rock with your boy. Stay tuned for the final outcome. So I dropped the box off with my embroiderer. He's gonna get the names put on the front of these hoodies, and we're gonna take it from there. All right. Local embroiderer though, named Tyler Reed. All right. I spoke about him before. Y'all remember when I showed you that time capsule he made for me? So that's my embroiderer in Connecticut. All right. So when he hooks these joints up, I'll make sure I'll show you what they look like, and we'll take it from there. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm back at the crib. It don't look like I'm gonna be making that delivery tonight. More than likely to get delivered tomorrow, but hey, it's okay. You know, it was a short time constraint with the embroiderer. Like I said, the embroiderer I'm using is a local embroiderer named Tyler Reed. Y'all remember I reviewed his capsule. All right, he got the Super Duper brand in the magazine. So if you want to check him out, like I said before, make sure you check out what he got going on. All right, but you know, I just wanted to give y'all some, you know, some content of, you know, pretty much what I, you know, go through or like deal with on, you know, the daily with my brand, and if I'm doing something for, you know, another individual. And I'm gonna try to do more of these type videos, you know, like I said, just so you guys could, you know, just see like, yo, your boy's a real cat, you know, just trying to, you know, give the people what they want, give the people what they need, that, you know, that fresh fly clothing, and also provide a good service for individuals that need something designed and they don't have the means to design it themselves or, you know, get it made. All right. Eventually, you know, I was supposed to cop an embroidery machine this year, but I never got around to it, man. Yo, I just be ripping and running all the time, doing all types of other, you know, shit, man. You know how that shit go. And but that's gonna be pretty much it for this one, y'all. I'm gonna be in New York tomorrow, so more than likely I tap in with y'all tomorrow. Yo, skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.